Hi guys, so this is my second video about how to clean any computer screen or any device after certain years, certain months or years of usage. You will notice that they will accumulate lots of dirt on them, and you will find that the display is no longer the smooth and visible than it used to be before. So you can find like these products. These are not any special products, but you can find the screen cleaners anywhere on your local Amazon, on your local stores, local hardware or peripheral stores, or on Amazon. You just need to search by screen cleaners, and you will find several of them. So today we will be cleaning our laptop screen, laptop's keyboard, and our smart TV using this cleaner. And these are actually essential because sometimes too much dirt and your device can even get faulty if you let the dirt enter into your device for a long time. So let's do this for with my laptop first. I hope you can see what I am doing here. You just need to press. First we will be cleaning the laptop, then we will be cleaning the TV. Maybe you have already tried this before. So this is video will be for only for those people who do not know that they can clean these devices easily without sending them to service center or something like that, or paying to someone to get them done. Grab a dry and clean cloth. Need to put some more drops of the liquid here and here. the laptop became shiny again. You can see. Now let's move on to the TV. It will take a lot of time because my screen is of 43 inches. First turn off the TV and get more liquid. So for this I am using this liquid cleaner called Colin. It will serve a better purpose for a big screen like TV because the power is more. Let's start with the TV. One second. Get open the cover. The spray power is more. What I wanted to tell that time actually. And for the big screen like this, that small screen cleaner would not work. So I am using this one for my TV. Here you can see the drops on the screen. Now start rubbing them. Sorry for my shaky hands once again because I'm doing this with one hand. You can find these screen cleaners anywhere online or in your local hardware or computer shops. And you should maintain and doing this whenever your screens gets dirty to save your expensive electronics from getting faulty. Few more minutes please bear with me. Since I am doing this with one hand, it is taking me longer than I expected. any screen you can clean using this. Not only screen, you can also clean your computer, laptop or desktop's keyboard using this, so that you know that they remain in good physical condition and dust can no longer enter in your expensive electronics and damage them. You should do this. You can do actually do this yourself, so you don't need to pay anyone to do this, to get this done. You can find the screen cleaners anywhere online, or like I mentioned, in your local hardware or computer shop. If it is for TV, there are in bigger sizes of available, or if it is for your laptop screen, even small screen cleaners would do the just fine. So I'm almost about, it's almost done. Please give me a few more minutes, please. Sorry for my bad English and for my shaky hands, because I'm doing this with one hand only. It's natural that you will see a shaky video. So sorry about that. You can see the TV screen has become shiny again. And how much time did it take? Just like 5 to 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. So if after doing this you can keep your electronics items intact, why you should not do this? We should do this like in every 3 to 4 months at least, so that dust can no longer damage our expensive electronics items, right? And it's not, and it is taking only like 5 to 10 minutes, so why not doing this? Many people actually ignore this, but these are, if you do this whenever you find your electronics items gets dirty, you can save your electronic items, because continuous darts accumulating in your electronic items can get them damaged or faulty, and you will have to pay high prices to get them serviced. So it's done now. The laptop is also done now, like we have already done previously. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you find any value in this video. This is my second video of this channel. Please watch the entire video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as I will be bringing you valuable videos whenever I'll be finding anything valuable. I'll always share those with you. So please like, comment and share this video along with your friends and family. Thank you.